So welcome back everyone. In this video we will explain index and match combined, a powerful Excel function which is used for searching. So let's, for example, we will create something like this. We would like to just find the student, like here we can select the student like Salim, and here we can select the subject, like let's select word, per word 80 number, okay, per Salim. Let's change again this like Halim, and word 50. Let's change this to for example a power Excel which is 70. So look at the value has been changed. So it is used for searching and it is a powerful function that we can use. So let's create this example. So to create this, let's first of all just write something like this. Okay, let's copy these values. I will show you. Okay, we have these three values. So after that, here I will find first of all list the students. So to list the student, for that select this area and come into data tab and to the validation, and here we will select list, and then here in the source we will select names and press OK. And also for the subject, we will come here back to data validation, list, and just select in the source area, select these three subjects, press OK. So we have these subjects and students. So now let's find the marks of the students. So let's write use index and match function. Index is used to find the value based on position, but match is used to return the position. So let's do it. Index, and first of all here we will just select the array. It means all our data. This is our data, our table, comma, then row number. So for row number we will use match function to return the row number. So let's use match. First of all, lookup value. So lookup value is our student name. So let's select student name, select every cell, comma, then lookup array. Lookup array is student names, or we can select name also with that, comma, 0. Yeah, exact match. We will just write 0, close this, comma. Per column name, again we will use match function. Lookup value is subject, comma. Per lookup array we will select this column, comma, 0 per index is a fixed match. Okay, exact match. Close it and close the index also. Enter it. So now let's select first of all the student like Salim. Salim Excel 60. So let's select Excel. So look at the value of per the Excel, the Salim is 60. Let's change this to Word, which is 80, PowerPoint, which is 56. Also we can change this for like a C, so 89. So look at our PowerPoint 89. So it is how we can use index and match together for searching, okay, to find values. So it is a powerful function in MS Excel that we can use. So I hope you learned this. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.